In this video, I will show you how to create an API key on BitMart and connect the exchange to Bitsgap through the My Exchanges section. First, log in to your BitMart account. In the top right corner, open the Profile menu and go to API Management. In the Memo field, enter a clear name, for example, Bitsgap. Additionally, select Spot Trade if the service needs access to trading operations. Do not enable withdraw. Now go to Bitsgap, open My Exchanges, and click Add New Exchange. Select BitMart from the list of exchanges. After that, Bitsgap will show the IP addresses that need to be added to the API settings on BitMart. Copy the list of IP addresses from Bitsgap and return to the BitMart page. Paste the IP addresses into the IP whitelist field. This limits API access only to trusted Bitsgap addresses. After filling in the field, click Submit. BitMart will ask you to complete security verification using a confirmation code sent by email. Open the email from BitMart, copy the verification code, and paste it into the confirmation window. After successful confirmation, BitMart will create the API key. The access key and secret key will appear on the screen. First, copy the access key and paste it into the API key field on Bitsgap. Then copy the secret key and paste it into the second field. In the Memo field, enter the same name, Bitsgap. Check that the keys are pasted without extra spaces and click Connect. Done. BitMart has been added to the system. The secret key is shown only once, so it is better to save it immediately in a secure place and avoid showing it on screen without blurring.